people out there, this is Wo Mastmala Girl and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this unique video because I'm going to show you how to do DIY lip scrub and lip cream at home. Yes, so this is very easy, no rocket science. You don't need 20 or 10 products to make your creams or DIY lip scrub. Simply you can make it at home and it is very easy. So I just use some essential oil for preservatives, because obviously if you don't put them, you will not be able to store them for longer time. So that is why essential oils are necessary, because जब आप essential oil डालोगे उसके बाद उसकी जो प्रिजर्व करने की जो एज है वो बढ़ जाती है, which is like you can preserve those DIY lip scrub or serum or cream for maximum 2 to 4 weeks, right? So that is why essential oils are important. Generally बाहर वाले जो serums और cream हम यूज करते हैं या scrubs यूज करते हैं, those have alcohols in it, which is why you can preserve them for obviously more than a year or so. But because obviously I cannot use alcohol at home, मेरे घर में available नहीं है. अगर होता तो maybe I could have tried, but obviously, so to preserve it for 2 to 4 weeks, you need to put some essential oils, which I have done and I have shown in the video how can you make your DIY lip scrub and lip serum. So yes, and this is how you can definitely make your DIY lip scrub and lip serum at home within 5 minutes. And I know, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
I'm going to tell you about few things, few ingredients which I'm going to use today, which is, first of all, I'm using this aloe vera gel, and we all know that aloe vera gel is very good for skin, and it has antioxidants and enzymes and vitamins A and C, which helps in reducing our scars, blemishes, dry skin, acne, stretch marks and so on, right? So yeah, it is very good for skin, and please keep aloe vera gel at your homes if you don't have. I am using this Indus Valley Bio Organic aloe vera gel, which has 100% pure aloe vera gel, and it is very good. I have been using it from a very long time. I have given the link in the description where you buy it from, right? So the next thing which I am going to use today in the DIY scrub and lip scrub and lip serum is this beautiful pure cold pressed almond oil, which is from Deef. Again, I have given the link in the description box so you can see and buy the almond oil. So again, almond oil is very good for your skin. We all know that almond oil is have been from centuries, and it helps helps moisturize the dry skin in a lot of ways. So, and the present natural retinoids in it helps the body to absorb excess oil, right? And it really gives a lot of moisture to your skin. So that is why almond oil is very essential for your skin. So that is why I have used almond oil today, and yeah, definitely buy this from Amazon. Now the next essential oil which I have used today is this peppermint essential oil. We all know that what can peppermint essential oil do to our skin. It really helps in cure our hair and helps in reducing dandruff. Also it helps in really give the moisture to the skin and helps in dry and cracked and chapped lips. So that is why I have used peppermint essential oil today for DIY lip scrub. And vitamin E. So we all know that vitamin E is so essential in our lives, right? It is so good for your skin, hair, and body. So vitamin E has powerful antioxidants which really helps us from getting our skin damaged from UV rays, right? So that is why I have used vitamin E in my serum, lip serum, and DIY lip scrub. So please, if you don't have vitamin E, go and buy it today. It is very affordable. This is 60 ml bottle and it is only for 100 rupees. And this is from eWit company, and you can definitely check the link and go and buy. So these are all the ingredients which I have used, and other than this, the natural ingredients which are available at my home which I have used for the scrub is granulated sugar and obviously honey.
So let's start making with a lip scrub, which I'm going to do with all the things and ingredients which I have over here. So lip scrub I'm going to make with this granule sugar over here, and I'm going to put some almond oil in it, vitamin E, and some peppermint oil. So why it is so important to scrub your lips, because generally time to time when we go out, or there are so many dust and pollution which causes harm to our face, and that is why I think exfoliation is one of the most important part of our skincare routine. So that is why you need to also scrub your lips twice in a month, or you should always keep this thing in mind that your lips also need exfoliation, so which is very important. So today I am going to in a very simple step, easy step, I'm going to show you how to make lip scrub with natural ingredients you have at your home, and with some essential oils. That is it. So I'm going to take you can either take these kind of measuring cups, or with the help of your spoons you can just measure and take the ingredients accordingly. So I'm according to this cup, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of sugar, granule sugar. So this is around 2 tablespoons, right? So I'm going to just keep this granule sugar in this bowl, right? Then I'm going to pour half a spoon, maybe I'll take this cup. So yeah, this is half tablespoon of honey. Right? I'm going to take 6 to 7 drops of almond almond oil. So this is almost 6 to 7 drops of almond oil. And then I am going to put peppermint. So why peppermint essential oil is because peppermint oil helps in our cracked and chapped lips. So it really improves the skin, and it really moisturizes our skin, and it also has a very minty like fragrance. So I'll just put 2 to 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it, and then I'm going to put vitamin E. So this vitamin is going to again use 2 to 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it, and then I'm going to put again 1 or 1.5 spoon of coffee powder, and then I'm going to mix everything properly. You have to mix properly so that everything just mixes well. It has a beautiful fragrance. So you can use this jar, और आप इस jar में इसको store करके रख सकते हो. So I'm going to tell you how many days you can store this lip scrub and use it. The ideal age of storing them and preserving them is max to max 2 to 3 weeks, because we generally don't use those preservatives जो हम obviously बाहर से खरीदते हैं, जो creams उनमें होती हैं. because they use a lot of solutions and different kind of alcohols to preserve them, right? I don't have any alcohol right now to preserve it, but because I have put all these essential oils and solution, so it can definitely stay up to 2-3 weeks. So you can use the lip scrub twice or thrice, and store it in a cool place, like refrigerator में आप store करके रख सकते हो इसको. And yeah, so this is how it is very easy, and make your own lip scrub at home. Don't spend too much of money just for this much of bottle. You are paying like 200-400 rupees. Doesn't make any sense. जब आप खुद घर पे बना सकते हो with some essential oils, and you are done. So yeah, this is how you make lips. Let's make lip cream, lip moisturizer, and for that you only need 3 things, which is this aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is very good for our skin because it has lot of enzymes, and it has vitamin E, vitamin A and vitamin C, which helps in lot of things for our skin. It can help treat sunburns, it can help treat your blemishes, stretch marks. So and it can also be good for as a primer when you use foundation. So aloe vera gel is a beautiful natural product which you can get from market, and you can also use your own homegrown aloe vera and उसको आप जेल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. So I am using Bioorganics 100% pure aloe vera gel. This is a beautiful aloe vera gel I have been using. So I'm going to take 2 spoons of this aloe vera gel, and I'm going to make the lip moisturizer, lip cream basically. So yeah, there I have taken this 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to mix at least 6 to 7 drops of almond oil. 1, 2. I'm going to take some more because I feel almond oil is very good. So we all know that almond oil is very good for dry skin, and the combination skin like me really needs almond oil, because almond oil is good also because it reduces excess oil from our skin, and it only locks the moisture which we need from the oil, right? So that is why almond oil is very important. And vitamin E, I have told you that vitamin E also helps for the dry skins, and also it has some antioxidants which really helps your skin to get that moisture from it. So it also contains castor oil and coconut oil in it, so which is very soothing for dry skin, rough skin, and it can definitely use as a treatment for some dark spots and your dark circles, and for hair as well, because you can make hair serums from this too. So yeah, and now I'm going to mix the hold this thing until I get a nice white color moisture cream. It will turn into a white cream when you keep drop the leaf. And this is very good for your skin, very good. You can apply it on your lips as well as on your face. So yeah, it really helps. So you can see that it is turning into a little white color. Keep mixing it until you get the white color, and you can definitely make this cream at your home and use it for your lips, for your face. Seeing the price of this much of bottle, like 50 ml bottle was for around 600, 700, 800 rupees. So I was like, not that I cannot spend, but उतनी सी चीज़ के लिए इतने पैसे देना, I feel that it's always better to make your own serums and own creams and own lip scrubs at home when you can. So yeah, and these all essential oils which I have bought from Amazon are more easier and affordable, and जितने का तो serum नहीं आता उतने में तो ये सारा सामान आ गया. So I thought, why not making I should make serums at home. So that is why I thought of this idea, and today I have shown you how to make the DIY lip scrub and DIY lip serum, and obviously you can use it on face as well. So yeah, so you can also make these creams and serums at home, and and store it in refrigerator for like बेटर यूज़ एंड आप इसको ऑब्वियसली 2-4 वीक्स के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. उसके बाद आप चाहे तो फ्रेश बना लो, बिकॉज आई फील ये क्रीम्स हमेशा फ्रेश ही बनानी चाहिए. क्रीम्स और स्क्रब्स फ्रेश बना के और फ्रेश यूज़ करो, so which is very good, right? So yeah, and this was my lip scrub and lip serum. So I have made this at home with few ingredients which are available easily at home. Aloe vera आप घर से भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, नहीं है तो आप obviously खरीद सकते हो. And there are so many online stores now where you can buy these products from. Buy a few essential oils if you want, and definitely you can make these lip scrubs and lip serum at home. So yeah, this was from my side. Hope you liked this video today, and if you like it, please give me lots of thumbs up and share my video to a lot of people, and comment what you want to see next. This was just my way of showing that how you can make DIY creams and lip scrubs at home. So I hope you do like the video, and if you are newcomer into my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you are watching already my channel from a very long time, I really urge, and I really pray a lot of my gratitude and appreciation that please share my channel to a lot of other people. So yeah, this is from my side, and as I always say, keep it stylish.
Be in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love is